Hey everybody, Chuck here. Welcome back to the channel. That's me in the chair. We're going to focus on some firewood cleaning today using a tumbler by Blockbuster. I'm a firm believer in making sure this firewood is clean before I make a delivery. Say hello to Bren. You can see underneath of the machine there, after cleaning about maybe 2 to 3 cord worth of wood, there's what we've got. It's amazing how much it collects and how much it removes from the wood. I want to give a shout out to all my early subscribers. Really appreciate your support with this channel. It's a new channel we're trying to grow, and hopefully the content that you're seeing is something you're going to want to continue watching. We got a sawmill in the background there that we'd like to work on also, and then we got the Houston-made 1222 splitter. And look at that debris coming off of that pile. I do have that tumbler hooked up to hydraulics on the second skid steer. That's why it's just sitting there. You can get a separate power pack for these things, but my last homework doing on them was about $2,500 to buy a power pack. Well, I've got a second machine sitting around doing nothing. I might as well just hook it up to that. Look how much debris that is. There's the clean product. So stick around for some future videos. We'll try to do something new and different in each one. I appreciate you subscribing, and have a great day, everybody. Go make some dust.